Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English Speaking Practice podcast. In this session, we will practice one long paragraph, but I will break it into short, easy sentences. You just need to listen and repeat after me. Speak loudly, don't worry about mistakes, and enjoy the practice. Let's begin. Repeat after me. My name is Twinkle. I wake up early in the morning. Waking up early gives me more time. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink a glass of water. I do light exercise every morning. Exercise keeps me healthy and active. Then I take a shower. I get ready for the day. I always eat breakfast. Breakfast gives me energy. I usually eat bread, eggs, or fruits. Sometimes I drink tea. After that, I go to work. At work, I stay organized. I try to finish my tasks on time. I learn something new every day. Learning gives me confidence. I talk to my colleagues at work. Talking improves my English. In the afternoon, I eat lunch. I eat with my friends. We discuss movies, travel, and plans. After lunch, I continue my work. In the evening, I go home. At home, I relax. I watch TV or listen to music. Sometimes I read a book. Reading improves my vocabulary. I spend time with my family. We eat dinner together. We share our day and laugh. Family time makes me happy. Before bed, I plan my next day. I make a to-do list. Planning keeps me focused. Finally, I sleep at 11 o'clock. Good sleep is important for health. This is my daily routine. I try to improve every single day. Well done. You have just practiced one long paragraph by repeating short, simple sentences. If you do this every day, your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence will improve very quickly. Remember, practice is the key to speaking English. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next practice session.